Today is our last day to get to the fair. I don't think it's the last day of the fair, but it's the last free day I'm gonna have. So the Chick-fil-A truck is in Interlachen. Me and the driver formerly known as James are just gonna show you the Chick-fil-A truck and get a quick lunch here at Chick-fil-A. It is only 1 o'clock, so we still have to wait till 5 o'clock to go to the fair. And I just figured I'd show the Chick-fil-A truck in Interlachen because that's neat. Chick-fil-A in Interlachen. Except that it's only here like very limited times. But there's the Chick-fil-A truck. Kona Ice has arrived on the scene too, making a day of it. Gonna take a quick shot of this Chick-fil-A truck to let you know what getting Chick-fil-A is like in Interlachen. Very cool. And for anybody who's local planning to ever go to the Chick-fil-A truck, they don't take cash. Card only. We ate our Chick-fil-A lunch and I went and got my hair cut. I don't know if you can see that, but looks kind of nice. Okay guys, Putnam County Fair take 2. Hopefully we could get in here today and there'll be no problems. And if not, this will be our last attempt. So. Alright, let's go over here and check this out. It's still daylight. My camera does a little bit better in the daytime than the nighttime anyway, but nothing's going to be lit up and flashing or fancy, I guess. So we'll see you inside. I rode this in 1990 with Ken, my friend, and he got sick on that, and I was yelling down to the guy, hey, slow it down. And he's like, what, you want me to go faster? No way I would ride that. Didn't pay me to ride that. Hey, that's making me dizzy just looking at it. I'll try to talk the driver formerly known as James into going on this. Probably not going to have a lot of luck though. Cool though. Good old-fashioned dark ride. Driver formerly known as James, who's too chicken to go on the dark ride, wanted me to get a shot of this. No way for me right there. That's gonna be a no for me, dog. Looks cool though.
Here's the order gun, some winner prize, guys. Come on in, grab a seat, join the race. Who else wants to get in this one? We're looking to give out some more prizes tonight, guys. Come on in. And it's only 6 to get you in. You'll win, you get a prize, y'all. Come on in.
Small town fair. This is the last bastion of family entertainment probably in America. Driver formerly known as James won't do anything.
Are you enjoying it so far?
Oh yeah.
Oh, I'm glad. At least the weather is not too hot. All right, so there's a
Oh, I don't get a dart?
No, this is beanbag. But you're going to throw it like a dart, but throw it hard enough to push the balloon back, okay? Go ahead.
I was a back-to-back Little League All-Star.
Oh, wow. You're welcome to stay close if you want to. Yeah, all right. Oh, that was a good shot, though.
Yeah.
Whoa, winner! All right, man. So right now you got a choice of any of the ones below. Thank you, guys. I hope you enjoy the fair. All right,
Thank
enjoy
you.
your first time here.
Original Fries City Fries. How do you like them apples? I wonder how good that pizza is. Probably not very. Oh look, they got pickle pizza. What?
I'm hungry.
Anything they'd let her.
Okay, we're just going to go in and check out the livestock right quick. This is Bear and Sunshine. Little baby cows right there. Okay, here's the rabbits. Unfortunately, they're on wire.
Flemish giant.
Yeah, this one has a board for it to sit on, so his feet don't get killed.
The Flemish giant, they get huge.
Yeah. That one's sleeping right there. You should never put rabbits in a wire cage like that. It hurts their feet.
It gives them sore hocks.
Gives them what?
Sore hocks.
Yeah.
Messes their feet up terribly.
Just a PSA.
Got a lion head over there. This is a lion head, and it's shedding, looks like, and you don't look happy at all.
Oh, would you be in a cage?
No, I wouldn't. Bless his heart. He looks very sad.
I see you. I see the good bunny.
That pretty pink eye.
Yeah. Who's a pretty girl?
It's in New Zealand.
You are.
It's a girl.
It's a doe, so I was right. It's a pretty girl. I see the good bun. I do.
It's okay, I'll continue with the show. You don't have to
You gonna give me butt?
All of the potatoes actually got imported here, 1888, from New Hampshire.
This one looks like Bunny Boo.
Yeah. It's got a little bit more gray in it than her.
That's a male, so that's not a pretty girl. That's a handsome boy right there. And here's some mini Rexes. This is what our little Nodus is. And our little Miracle is a half mini Rex, because Nodus is her dad.
Over there looks like Bunny Boo.
There's a lot of them out here that look like Bunny Boo. Okay guys, we have walked the entire Putnam County Fair. And we're, I guess, going to leave out of here. So. already won, the driver formerly known as James something, so.
Yeah, you ready women are good at throwing things. Yeah, we'll give you the handicap special.
Wait,
Shit, Lily needs someone to ride with. You got armbands?
where are we going?
All right, guys, we're out of here. We thank you for hanging out with us and walking around. All right, I just had to grab a shot of this old school station wagon right here. That is too cool. Definitely one like you don't see on the roads anymore. Okay, guys, that has been our look at the small town Putnam County Fair. There's our new friend. What's his name?
Barney.
Barney. All right, there's Barney, everybody. I'm sure you'll see him in future videos. Yep, we had a good time walking around, and we hope you enjoyed seeing it. It's kind of hard to film there because there's all people standing around and stuff, and don't want to look like you're filming the people. Anyway, it was a lot of fun, and probably the last time I'll ever go to a county fair. And just remember, do not put rabbits in cages with wire bottoms. That hurts their feet.
Yeah.
I mean, you wouldn't want that done to you. Why do it?
It rubs their feet raw.
Yeah.
And they bleed and get infections, and it's horrible.
So, I mean, hopefully they're just doing that just to show these rabbits, and they're in there for just a week, and that's it. But anyway, nothing we could do about it otherwise. We thank you for watching, and we will see you next time. Peace.